Well, here's something you don't see every day, that's for sure. A car leaning up against an entry booth at a park.
This happened early this morning at White Tank Regional Park. Fox 10's Irene Snyder gives us a closer look at what happened.
Well, police say this happened shortly before 5 o'clock this morning. That was before the park was even open. But you can take a look at some of that damage to the entryway of the station. There were some faint tire tracks along the ground here as well. And take a look at this picture, though. The car pretty much drove straight up the side of the station. At this point, police say they don't know how it got like that. You can also see some aerials from earlier today showing some more of that damage. Some of the roof, as you can tell here, took a hit. Police tape surrounding the area as well. The park posted on their Facebook page, they said they were working through an Operation Hiccup. 2 people were inside the car at the time, but no one was in the entry station. The people in the car were taken to the hospital as a precaution, and no one else was injured. Well, police say they are still investigating the cause of this crash, and park rangers as of right now are still at that now damaged entry station. Stay with Fox 10 for the latest on this developing story. Reporting at White Tank Regional Park, I'm Irene Snyder for Fox 10 News.